How to hard reset Tecno Camon 40, 40 Pro, and 40 Premier.
Step 1. First, turn off your device.
Step 2. Press and hold both the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. Step 3. Once the No Command screen with the robot logo appears, press and hold the power button and briefly tap the volume up button.
Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.